Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Nana, you know the vibe, we see you looking. You should smell the aroma in the kitchen when she cooking. She the real deal when she make a home cooked meal. She's Nana the Saucy Chef, she got skills. Nana the Saucy Chef, she got skills.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making pizza biscuits. The ingredients that we're going to need today are pizza sauce, mozzarella cheese, pepperoni, biscuits. I have Italian seasoning and also garlic butter. For the garlic butter, I took 2 tablespoons of butter, melted it, and add a half a teaspoon of granulated garlic powder. Okay guys, next I have my pizza pan lined with aluminum foil. We're going to go ahead and open our biscuits and place them onto our pan. You can set your oven to 375 degrees. Next, I took a cup, or you can use a glass, and you want to go ahead and make an indentation in the middle of your biscuits. Once you've done that, we're going to go ahead and take our garlic butter, and we're just going to brush it onto our biscuits. Now we're going to take our pizza sauce and we're going to spoon it into the center of our biscuit. Now you want to take some Italian seasoning, just a pinch, and sprinkle it on top of your sauce. Now we're going to add our mozzarella cheese. Next, you can apply your pepperonis. Now they're ready to go into our oven, 375 degrees, for 12 to 15 minutes. Okay guys, so our pizza biscuits are done. I'm gonna let them cool off before I plate them. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.